I like that, the Boevers Bobcat. That'll be perfect for our food web activity today.
Mussels, fruit.
Yeah, fruits, plants, vegetables. I like the mussels. Wow, call it nut-free fish.
There's a big one. Look at this one over
Yep,
here.
yep. You see it?
Yeah.
It's kind of ugly. How did it adapt to its environment? That's why they don't have a big old oak leaf that sweats. Come on around. Your problem is, how are you going to build a habitat that can grow plants, raise fish, and do it indoors year-round?
All the water we have on Earth right now is all the water we have ever had on Earth, like back to the dinosaurs. When we make our water cycle bracelets, we're all gonna have different colors and different patterns. Do you guys have questions about the herbivores, omnivores, or carnivores? My deer just ate that flower to get energy. Lizard!
Look, a little fatty.
Just one of the